Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment not completed on App Store in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having problem that payment not completed when you purchase anything on your iPhone. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys, after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to open your Apple ID here. And guys, after opening your Apple ID, you need to click on sign in and security, and guys, after this you need to wait. And guys, you will find this type of interface. Simply you need to turn on two-factor authentication. So guys, if off, then you need to make it on, and guys, after this you need to click on automatic verifications. And guys, simply you need to go back, and guys, another step is you need to click on media and purchases. You need to click on password settings, as you can see, and guys, after this simply it is turned on. So guys, if it is turned on, then guys, you need to make it turn off, and guys, after doing this, the last step is you need to click on payment and shipping. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it take long time in your iPhone. You need to wait. So guys, as you can see, you will find this type of interface. So guys, if you have added any payment method here, then guys, you will see here all the payment method that you have added. And guys, after this you need to added your payment method. Means if you have any error here, then guys, you need to correct your error, and guys, after doing this you need to save. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to remove your old payment method, and guys, after this you need to add your new payment method. And guys, after this you need to purchase again your product, then guys, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.